Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got another radio that Jeff loaned me. This one is very unique. I don't think we'll ever find one of these. He got this. He bought four radios in a box for $15, and this was just one of them. It's about about 5 inches wide and about 3 inches tall. Now, I struggled with this thing for 15 minutes trying to figure out how to get it open because there's no controls here, there's no tuning dial, nothing. This is the Enterprex Coca-Cola AM FM stereo radio. Jeff calls it his mystery radio. Doesn't know much about it. He couldn't find much about it on the internet. But I struggled with it. I'm like, why does this work? Oh, and then that happened. There's a speaker. It's got an L on it. Well, maybe there's another one over here. Get hold of it. There's the speakers. Okay. And then behind this speaker is the controls. This is the tuning knob right here. Up there is a LED to indicate whether it's receiving FM stereo. And then down here is the off AM and FM selector. Earphone jack right there. And telescopic antenna. Volume control is over here. It's bizarre. On the back it has a nice clip, belt clip, and it requires two AA batteries. Okay, and I'll do it right now, I'll turn it on, get the volume up here, pretty muffled. You gotta extend these speakers. Makes all the difference. And I think you got two speakers, it's stereo. I think it's stereo. You don't have to use earbuds to get stereo. Whoops, playing that music way too long. So, sound is not too bad. Now, Jeff, what was the word he used? He said the tiny speakers sound horrible. Well, what I've found is if you turn this up to maximum volume, yes, they do distort and it is pretty bad. But unless you're in a quiet environment, you're going to have the volume control pretty high. To get it so it can be at about medium and then these speakers don't sound too bad, you're going to have to be in a quiet area. So keep that in mind. I don't think you'll ever find one of these. This is very, very unique with the slide out. Now, I did a review of another gadget that it was a amplified speaker system, and it had these kind of slide out speakers. Again, you have to keep the audio down. You don't want to overdrive it and putting this at max, which is where I started out, so that I could get enough volume to overcome my fan sitting over there that you're probably hearing in background. It's a little inconvenient to have to push that back, but once you tune the station, you just leave it there. Okay, let's go back to medium volume. Okay. Now that's distorted. Got to turn down a little more. Okay, now we're going to tune using this little dial here. And I'm on FM, so I need to extend this. It's about 12 inches antenna. And I'll try tuning it. We're getting noise from my electronics here. There we go. Pull the speaker out again. Sounds pretty good. Let's go to AM and find some, trying to keep that volume not too high. Find some AM stations here. There we go. That sounds pretty good. What a difference when you pull a speaker out. See what else we can find. Another station, loud and clear. Here's another one. So we're getting pretty good reception. There's another one. And it's, like I say, it's not bad. If I can get this back out. Here we go. So now if I close both these down, you can barely hear it. And I'm at, I would say, volume is at 90%. And it really muffles it when you close those speakers down. So that's it. I thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show to you. And this is definitely a collector's item. You wouldn't necessarily use this to listen to it every day. But if you had a quiet environment, it would work fine. And of course, you can use the earphones. But it is very, very unique. And this one is in perfect condition. Very, very nice. There's the volume control right there. That's it. If you enjoyed this show, take the time to give me a thumbs up. And have a great day. Bye-bye.